this question a lot. What exactly is emerging technology? I'd say that it is, in any industry, whatever the latest and greatest technology that's being used in that industry could be considered emerging technology. Our focus, though, we developed 2 relationships with 2 industry partners. One's New York Creates, and one is Plug Power. And it's the relationship we have with them that we're using for the hands-on experience for the students.
I decided to take this course here because, ever since I was young, I've always been interested in electricals. I used to do I had these little snap circuit boards when I was younger. I used to play with them, and it's just always fascinated me like technology and why does something work, or how does it work?
The course is mainly for every part of engineering, and it allows you to get as much experience with specific fields as possible. So it was a big choice, and just getting to see every possible choice and which one was best for my case.
This type of class, this type of environment, I find it way better because it's really hands-on, but I'm still learning, and I still do work, but it's a lot of in-person, hands-on learning. I'm getting good experience.
I see it as more of not only a future career, but something I could also build off of leading into the future. I see it as somewhere it's a good starting point for me also. It gives me a good view of what I want to do in the future.
What really gets me excited is when we go to these facilities and they do speak to the professionals that work there. They start raising their hands, they start asking questions, and they start making connections. I've even seen a couple of our students walk away with business cards.
Really be if you want to really learn and you're really curious, I feel this would be the class for someone who wants to go down that path.